Martin Lappin here for Alternative Heating Solutions. And here we have the sexy new G7000 from HeatMaster. And this will only be the second time I've cleaned any ash out of it. Since I installed it Thanksgiving Day and got it fired up, I've went through two of these taller totes, and the first tote was a shorter one. It was only half full, and it's pretty straightforward. This one in front, that's the one you clean any ashes out of the new refractory if you have to. That one goes down along the side. But if you're wondering how much work's actually involved with the new ones, pretty much like the old ones. I'll show you my daily cleaning and how long it actually takes to clean the ash out here. There's daily cleaning done. And that is it for cleaning ashes. I'll go back to my old schedule of doing it weekly. And you can see here, the new door really keeps the heat away from the front of it. There's still some paint that ain't even been burned off yet. And the other thing you need to keep an eye on, you've got to keep your ashes stirred up and loose. I worked on a G4000 that was literally choking to death on ash. And what happened on his, I knew it was getting too high, because when your creosote runs down and it hits the layer of ash, it'll cool and get hard. And when it mixes with the ash, it almost turns into concrete. It's been Martin Lappin of Alternative Heating Solutions. The women don't find you handsome, at least they can find you handy.